name is Paulina and I am going to talk about the chapter 3, the Biosphere. First of all, the biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all parts of the Earth in which life exists, including land, water, and the atmosphere. Ecology is the study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. The interaction among organisms is also called biotic factors and their physical environment abiotic factors. Modern ecologists use three methods in their work: observation, experimentation, and modeling. Observation is the first step in asking ecological questions like which species live here, how does an animal protect its young from predators. Experimentation can be used to test hypotheses. And modeling help the ecologist to understand ecological events that are difficult to study directly, like global warming. There are different levels at which an ecologist works. These levels are called levels of organization, and there are six: individual organisms, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and finally, biosphere. Organisms need energy for growth, reproduction, and their own metabolic processes. Two processes by which some organisms get energy are the photosynthesis and the chemosynthesis. The chemosynthesis runs on chemical energy and generally occurs in total darkness on the seafloor, while photosynthesis needs the presence of light. The process of photosynthesis is the process that autotrophs use to produce their own energy. Autotrophs are also called primary producers because they are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms called consumers. The consumers are organisms that rely on other organisms for energy and nutrients. There are six different types of consumers. Carnivores kill and eat other animals. Herbivores obtain energy by eating plants or fruits. Omnivore, they eat both plants and animals. Scavengers are animals that consume the carcasses of other animals that had been killed. Decomposers, they feed by chemically breaking down organic matter. And finally, detrivores, they feed on detritus particles. Energy flows through an ecosystem in a one-way stream, from primary producers to various consumers. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten, and food webs consist of many interconnected food chains and are more realistic representation of consumption relationships in ecosystems. Each step in a food chain or food web is called a trophic level. One way to illustrate the trophic level in an ecosystem is with an ecological pyramid. There are three different types: pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of numbers. Every organism needs nutrients to build tissues and carry out life functions. Like water, nutrients pass through organisms and the environment through biogeochemical cycles. Cycles of matter involve biological processes. All activities performed by living organisms, geological processes, major movements of matter within and below the surface of Earth, chemical and physical processes, include the formation of clouds and precipitation, and the action of lighting. And the human activity can also play an important role on this. The carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus cycles are especially critical for life.